Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, let me show you this cat carrier backpack, or pet backpack actually, that is good for medium to small size pets. For example, I have a kitten right here. It's one of our fosters, and he's actually so gorgeous. You're gonna see it probably in a few seconds. But the good thing about this one is that you can use it for small dogs, or you can use it for small to medium sized cats. As you can see, it comes equipped with really good stuff right here, like pockets on the side, like mini pockets on the side, like for treats and stuff, or if you want to put some water, you can put some water in here for them. And also, I do like that comes with a really nice pad on the actual straps. But not only that, it also comes with the strap for your chest to manage better the weight, as well as the strap for the carry-on, for example, and a handle right here. Something that I really like, by the way, let's take a closer look. So I was telling you before, something that I really like is that this clips right here comes with the clip. So this lock right here, it will lock it and this thing won't open just by itself. So that is really cool to have. Also right here, let me actually show you. Smashy, you good there? You're not gonna, no, you're not gonna, no, don't go out. I just wanna show you that you can fit perfectly here as a kitten, but it's good for medium-sized cat. Ventilation everywhere. You can see everywhere has ventilation, so that is really good with all the mesh. And another thing right here with the other pocket that you can put their vaccines, their documents. And I wanna show you that it comes with this strap for the carry-on, as well as this one for your chest. So this is the one that I like. Having this one here helps you to manage better the weight. And of course, he's still right here. He's still rocking right here. Probably you can see it, I don't know, but he's all black, so that's probably why. But this one works really good for small to medium sized pets. And of course, having ventilation everywhere with the locks, with the clips, and the really good straps and weight management. This one, it's a really nice backpack. Travel or short trips or going to the vet, you're gonna like it.